Hello everyone, welcome back to Steam Code. In this video I'll show you how to make a working clock in JavaScript. Alright, so let's get started. So in your index.html file, I've already done this, but make sure the title is clock or whatever you want to make it. Have your body and have doctype HTML. And then we're going to need the jQuery CDN, so we're able to use jQuery. So just search up jQuery CDN. Go to this website and you can copy and paste it. And then next we're going to need to link this to our app.js file. So do that. And then lastly we're going to need to link this to our style sheet. Alright, that's all we need for the header. And so now inside of the body, we're going to have a div, and that would just be a container. And then within this div, we're just going to have one h1 tag, and we'll make the ID equal to time. This is what's going to display the actual time. Alright, so now let's style it inside of our style sheet. So firstly, inside the body, we're going to set the background color to sky blue. And that's all we need for the body. Then inside of our container, we're going to set the display to flex. We're going to justify content to the center. We're going to align items to the center as well. And we're going to make the height 900 pixels. Alright, let's see how this looks so far. Perfect. And then lastly, for our h1 tag, we'll just set the color to white, and the font size will be 180 pixels. Alright, perfect. So now lastly, inside of our app.js file, the first thing we're going to want to do is a little bit of jQuery. So document.ready function. So basically what this says once the document is fully loaded up, or when it's ready, then do whatever's inside of this function. And so we're going to have var date equals new date. Then we're going to create 3 new variables: hour, minute, and second. And then we're going to set interval function and 1000. So what this does is it creates an interval that does whatever's inside of this function every 1000 milliseconds, or every 1 second. And so what we're going to do is we're going to update the time from this date every second. So we'll say date is equal to new date, and then if date.getHours is greater than or equal to 10, then hour is equal to date.getHours, and then else hour is equal to 0 plus date dot get hours. So what this does is it basically, and so if the date or if the hour is less than 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then it puts a 0 in front of it. And we're going to do the same thing for the minutes and seconds. So we can just copy and paste this. And so we'll change this to minutes. Change this to min. And then we'll change this to seconds. All right, perfect. And lastly, we just need to actually set the h1 tag to the time. So the way we'll do that is we'll say hash time dot html hour plus colon plus minute plus colon and plus seconds. All right, let's see how this looks. Perfect. All right, so that's the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. If you had any questions, do not hesitate to put them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.